In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt Lovable to copy a website exactly. Whether you're recreating a landing page for your business or want to explore the functionality of a site, Lovable's AI can be a fantastic tool for such tasks. So, let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to head over to the Lovable website. It's a platform designed to help you generate web pages using AI, making it easier to replicate existing sites by using prompts. Once you're on the Lovable homepage, locate the Create a New Project option. Clicking on that will take you to a screen where you can start constructing the guidelines or prompts for the AI to follow. Now, when you're setting up the new project, you'll see a box appear on your screen where you can type your prompt. This prompt is essential because it tells the AI exactly what you want to achieve. For instance, if you're looking to recreate a landing page, you might want to use an example like, build a landing page identical to https www.stripe.com. Same structure, hero layout, and pricing section design. This sets a clear picture for the AI, guiding it on aspects like layout and design. Don't forget you can customize the content as well. For instance, replace the logo and wording as per your needs, adjusting colors to match your brand identity. Here's a tip to enhance accuracy. Include the URL of the target website you're aiming to replicate. Make sure your prompt mentions something like, match the structure exactly section by section. This way, Lovable knows to keep the format consistent with your example. You might also want to add your color or font preferences, though this is optional. Another useful suggestion is to note, use placeholder text where content is missing. This helps you visualize the final design without any awkward gaps where content should be. Once you've written your prompt and included any additional instructions, the next step is to click Generate. This action prompts Lovable to start crafting your web page. The magic here is the AI quickly taking your description and using it to produce an initial draft of the site. However, it might not be perfect right out of the gate. After generation, review all elements carefully. Feel free to customize details as necessary to better fit your brand or needs. You might tweak images, adjust text, or change formats until everything aligns perfectly with your vision. Finally, use the preview feature to compare your new page with the original one. This step is crucial to ensure that everything is up to par and matches your expectations. It allows you to see any differences in real time, enabling subtle adjustments if needed, bringing you close to the exact replica. With these steps completed, you're well on your way to mastering the art of web page replication using Lovable.